Hello everyone. Today I am going to share a wonderful tool and techniques, a wonderful process, and with the help of this process you can apply the strategy, you can understand the strategy, and you can make a lot of a logical a high profit in the trading career. It's very important that we should go in the depth, we should go in the base, we should go for the learning, then only we can do something good in our life. So it is very important, and today I will share each and everything which is required to do the trading. So today we will understand the power of location, the power of candles, the power of 20-day and 200-day simple moving average line. We will understand each and everything, and this is the actual price action that we have to take the right action at the right location with the right candle. This is the pure price action game. So we should understand these things, then only we can take a right decision in our life. So today I am going to share the same things also. This video will be very useful for you because it will help you to grow in your life. It will help you to grow in your trading profession. So it is most important. So I am going to start with the help of this pen. That in the morning you can see that the stock open on this point at this CPR level, and it's moved to the down of upside, and you can see that it reached to this resistance line, and when it reached to resistance line it felt weakness on this point and it start moving on the downside. Again it moved to the upside, it reached the second time it make attempt to cross this resistance line, but again it was not able to cross this line. Again it moved, it feel weakness on this point, and then it moved to the downside, and again it make one more trial on this point, but again it was not successful. Now you can see that the stock closed on this point, and next day again the stock open at this 200-day simple moving average line. It moved to the upside, and then it moved to the downside, and it reached to the support level. It took support on this level, and again it moved to the upside. It was not be able to cross this 20-day simple and 200-day simple moving average line. This green candle is, sorry, this is not the candle. This green line is 20-day simple moving average line. This red line is 200-day simple moving average line. So it reached to the on this point, but it was not be able to cross this level. It moved to the downside. Again you can see that it reached to this spot line, but on the spot line it took spot on this level, and it moved to the upside, and then it reached to this resistance line, and again it feel weakness and moved to the downside. Again it took the spot on this level, and again it moved to the upside, and on this point it make 2 to 3 attempt, and after that it moved to this CPR line. So you can see that what is happening in this chart, what is happening with the price, what is happening with the candle. The stock move to the upside, it feel weakness on resistance level and move to the downside. So sometime it feeling weakness on this resistance line, and sometime it taking support on this support line. So what is happening, stock is moving to the upside, feel weakness, and going to the downside, taking support, moving to the upside, feeling weakness, going to the downside, taking support, again going to the upside, and again going to the downside. What is happening on this chart? You can see that. So this is the power of this location, and if we know the power of location, if we know the power of candle, if we know that how we can utilize 20-day and 200-day simple moving average line to take a high probability trade, if you know these things only, these basic things only, then you can take a lot of trade with the help of your strategy. So it's very important that you should know these basic things. If you know these basic things only, then you can take a lot of trade, and it will be the high probability trade. Sorry, it moved to the on this area. So you can take a lot of trade with the help of these important things. So it's very important that you should understand the basic things. These things are basic but most important. And if you are in a pro level, then you can take a lot of trade and you can make a lot of big money, but it will be the safe and secure money. So I hope you understand between the difference on big money with safe and secure process, and on the other side a big money with the help of gambling. I hope you understand each and everything. So it's very important that we should go for the logical way, we should go with the strategy, we should go with our trading plan. Then only we can make a systematic, a consistent, a logical money from the market. It's very important. So thank you guys, and thank you very much for your precious time. These are the things I want to share with you with the help of this video, and I hope you learn something new with the help of this video. So it's very important that I'm making request to you, because I did a lot of mistake in the stock market. After doing a lot of mistake, I'm wasting a lot of money. After that I understand this process. So it's very important that if you take learning from my mistakes, then it will be the great achievement for you, because you will save your lot of money to doing R&D in the market. I did mistakes. After that I read a lot of book, I saw a lot of video, and after that complete consolidation, I make my own strategy. I did back testing process, and after that I start doing trading with the small amount of money. And after that I decided I make my 16-day trading strategy, the final 16-day trading strategy, and I'm doing trading with the help of these things only, and I'm consistently making good money from the market. I'm doing trading in spite of gambling. So I hope you understand the differences between gambling and trading. So thank you guys. I hope you learn something new, and if you learn, then you can press the like button if you want. If you understand something new, then only you should do this process, otherwise there no need to be do anything. And if you want to learn more things, then you can subscribe my channel, so that you can find the new videos and you can update yourself. And if you want to learn more, then you can join my webinar, which is happening every Saturday and Sunday, and you can take a lot of learning with the help of this webinar. So thank you very much, and best of luck for your trading journey. Thank you guys. Thank you.